to 4. Y is equal to given as by ln. It is given ln 1 plus x by 1 minus x, 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole to the power 1 by 4, 1 by 4 minus half tan inverse x. Very easy and simple. Actually, math is, I mean, given as 1 or 2 lines given, okay? Because in some other cases we have to take we have to let ln or take ln. Here it is given ln. So what will we do? You see, 1 by 4. Write down 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Okay, we have written 1 by 4. Then you see, it is what? Ln. It is ln 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Is it or not? What I have done here? The power has been taken for ln. And nothing to do here. It is half tan inverse x. We really don't have anything to do here. Now I think you can do. What will you do? 1 by 4 ln 1 plus x, right? Then it is what? Minus 1 by 4 ln 1 minus x minus half tan inverse x. Now can you do it? And it is y. Now can you find dy by dx? Just let me know if you can. You see, now dy by dx is equal to what? It is 1 by 4, not a matter. It is 1 by 4 ln x is equal to what? 1 by x. This is, you know, d by dx 1 plus x. Similarly, minus 1 by 4 1 minus x d by dx 1 minus x. Okay. And what is tan inverse x? Can you remember, please? What is tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. Can you remember? So actually we are done here, right? Is it? We are done, right? That means 1 by 4 1 plus x. 1 is 0, x is 1. Nothing to do. Minus 1 by 4 1 minus x. 1 is 0, minus x is minus 1. And it is 1 by 2 1 plus x square. Okay. Can you see the board?
Yes, sir.
It is very easy and simple calculation. We can write here 1 by 4 1 plus x minus minus plus 1 by 4 1 minus x, and it is minus 1 by 2 1 plus x square. Can you calculate it now? I think after that you can do, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you do up to this 1 plus x and it is 1 minus x. Suppose. So it is 1 minus x plus 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 1 plus x square. Now what we see, that is minus x plus x will be omitted. Okay. That is, we are getting here, again, we are getting here 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2 into 1 minus x square minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. Okay. That is, it is LCM 2 into 1 minus x square 1 plus x square. So we are getting here what? 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x square, right?
So এটা 2 এর 3 নাম্বার না?
Huh?
So এটা 2 এর 3 নাম্বার না?
No, 4 up 2. So 2x square, that is x square by 1 minus x to the power 4. This is the answer. There will be 2x square, 2 will be omitted. Question number 4 up 2. And here we are absolutely right. This is the answer. Now let me know who did it correctly.
Sir, আমি
Your answer was
আচ্ছা না
this.
স্যার আমারটা ভুল গেছে।
Oh. Okay. Not a matter. So we are going to do another math. Number 5. But I hoped that my dearest and nearest students would do all the maths. And all of you would do the math. Afsos. It may be wrong. It is immaterial. But you should do. Because you have got this pattern. Now you see, it is ln 1 plus root x minus ln 1 minus root x. Very easy and simple math. Now it takes 1 minute to do. What is dy by dx? dy by dx equals to what? Ln x, that is 1 by x. Now, can we differentiate at a time? And it will be 1 by 2 root x. Talk to me, please.
Yes, sir.
1 is 0 plus root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. Then it is minus 1 minus root x. And root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. As it is minus, so it is minus. Not here, minus will be here. Minus 1 by 2 root x. Have you got me? Okay. Now you see, we can take 1 by 2 root x common. Then we are left here 1 plus root x minus minus plus 1 by 1 minus root x. Right? That is 1 by 2 root x. Here LCM is 1 minus root x 1 plus root x. If we get LCM here, it will be again put into formula of a minus b, a plus b. That is a square minus b square. The denominator, I am telling about the denominator. Here root x will be omitted. Okay. So we are left with is equal to 1 by 2 root over x 1 plus 1 equals to 2 by a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. 2 will be omitted. So 1 by root over x, 1 minus x. This is the answer.
স্যার ঠিক আছে এটা।
It was, yes, this math is also right. Okay. Then I am going to next question. At least you should do it, okay? Then I would go to the new chapter. Then what was the necessary that I gave you the screenshot or photos? Anyway, 2.6. In this math, ln is not given. So we have to take ln x log x, x log x by root over 1 plus x square. Who can do it? It is not so easy as you are thinking. For ln, you write down 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by log x. It is log x, same formula, 1 by x. It is minus half. Log x means what? 1 by x. 1 by x. And it is to be again differentiated. If we differentiate it, then we will get only 2x. So we have to find dy by dx is equal to y is equal to y, first bracket, 1 by x plus 1 by x log x minus 2 will be omitted, x by 1 plus x square. Now let me know what is the value of y. The value of y is x log x log x by root over 1
log
plus
x এর ডিফারেন্সিয়েশন হচ্ছে ইয়ে না 1 by x into log e।
that is log a base x. Okay.
আচ্ছা
Okay, so y is equal to what? X log x root over 1 plus x square. It is the value of y. Now, what should we do? Yes, we can take the LCM. LCM is x log x into 1 plus x square. It is the LCM. Okay. So we are getting here, it is x, so log x into 1 plus x square plus it is x log x. So we are getting here only 1 plus x square. We are getting here only 1 plus x square. And it is minus 1 plus x square. Then it is x log x, that is x square log x. We have done it because you see this will be omitted, nothing else. Okay. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
That means we are getting, you see, log x. Have you seen it is log x plus x square log x plus 1 plus x square minus x square log x. And here it is root over 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square. This will be omitted. Okay, and we have got our answer is equal to 1 plus x square plus log x by 1 plus x square 1 plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. We have to see the answer. Oh my god, what they have done, you know? They have kept the answer here. You can also do that. It is their answer. Okay? So it is up to you that what will you do. Remember one thing.
আমরা তাহলে এক্সট্রা তিনটা স্টেপ করেছি তাই তো?
Yes, remember one thing. Many of you may ask me, I told you that it is not multiplied. Yes, it is multiplied because it is given x. When it will be not multiplied, suppose it was given log 1 plus x square, then it should not be multiplied. It is to be kept as it is, no formula. But here it is log x, we can multiply it. Okay? I am telling you, suppose in class 9-10 you did a math, 1 log 2 plus 2 log 2, this type of math there was, right? Then what you did, 1 plus 2 plus, can you remember? Log 2 into 1, 1 log 2, log 2 into 2, 2 log 2, this type of math, okay? Have you got it? Now see the next math, question number 3-1. Y is equal to root over x plus 1, x plus 2. What will you do? Let me know. This math can be done.
লন অ্যাপ্লাই করতে হবে না?
Now just wait. Suppose I can write it like this, root over x plus 1, root over x plus 2. Now we can do, it is u, it is v, right? We can do, right? But if we do, then the math will be done in one line, not two line. Ln y is equal to ln root over x plus 1. It is multiply sign, so it will be plus. Have you got me? I have skipped one line. Talk to me. I have taken ln to both the sides as it is multiplication, so it will be addition. Is it okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now you can do, you see ln y, that is 1 by y, dy by dx, ln x, 1 by x. Now let me know, what is root over x? Can you remember please? I told you, root over x, 1 by 2, root x. I told you, right? One by x plus 2, root over x, 1 by 2, root x. It is due to this 2 is 0. This 1 is 0. So actually it is only root x. This 2 is 0. So actually it is only root x. Have you got me? Now you just do it by, can you do it after this? Or I
Yes,
have to
Have
do. It is what? 1 by 2 x plus 1. It is what? So you see, so what dy by dx equals to y into, we can take half common, then it is 1 by x plus 1, and it is 1 by x plus 2, right? What is the value of y? Y is root over x plus 1 into root over x plus 2 into half into x plus 1 x plus 2. Now it is x plus 2, it is x plus 1. Now you see this and this, there's a relation, okay? So we are getting here 2x plus 3, it is 2, it is x plus 1 x plus 2. Have you got it or not? Suppose it is root x, it is x. Yes, it is our answer. So I should not do more maths. You see, I am giving you some math. Y equals to root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x. What is meant by this? Root over 1 plus x by root over 1 minus x. So you take ln y equals to ln, it is root over 1 plus x, root over 1 minus x. That means ln root over 1 plus x minus ln root over 1 minus x. I think you can do it. Talk to me.
have
I am doing another line. 1 by y dy by dx ln x. Then what it would be? Talk to me. 1 by 2 root over 1 plus x. You do and you will get this. It is minus 1 by root over 1 minus x. Can you please let me know what would be here? Let me know. 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x. Is there anything else? Yes, there is something else because it is minus x.
তার একটা মাইনাস
Yes, there will be another minus 1. As it is minus x, nothing else. Now you will calculate it at home.
স্যার
Yes.
এখানে ওই dy বাই dx পর্যন্ত বের করলেই অ্যান্সার হয়ে যাবে না, জাস্ট লাইক
You will find this. You will find this.
হ্যাঁ
Then suppose you see this and this will be multiplied. Will be left with 1 plus x. This and this will be multiplied. Will be left with 1 minus x. Then get the LCM. You do it, huh? With
Okay, sir.
with care. Okay. Number 3, a little bit hard. Y is equal to 1 by root over x plus 1 minus, I'm sorry, plus, who can do it?
স্যার আমি কিছু একটা করছি, এটা কি হইছে নাকি জানি না।
Just let me know who can do it and how you will do this math.
স্যার এখানে লন তো নেওয়া যাবে না, নাকি যাবে?
It can be done in two ways, taking ln and other way. You
আর
see,
ইনভার্স,
yes, by
ইনভার্স দিয়ে
conjugate.
করছি।
Conjugate. Yeah, it is x plus 1, x minus 1.
আচ্ছা স্যার, এই ডিনোমিনেটরটাকে যদি হোলটাকে -1 পাওয়ার ধরা হয় তাহলে তো হয়।
Of course, but that will be hard. Okay, so we are going to multiply like this. You see, math is done. I have multiplied with its conjugate. It is a plus b. I have written a minus b, a minus b. Okay, and you did a lot of math in class 9 and 10 like this. Now, it is as it is, x plus 1, x minus 1. Now you see, what will be here? Talk to me. A plus b, a minus b. That is a square minus b square. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
A square minus b square. It is b. So a square means a square root will be omitted, minus, that means minus x plus 1. Okay? A square minus b square formula. I have skipped online here. Now the math is done, you see. It is what? Half root over x plus 1 minus half root over x minus 1. Right? We'll be left with half here. Is it? So half into this, that means it is. Now you just differentiate it. No need to take ln. Our math is done. Therefore, dy by dx, it was y. So dy by dx is equal to what? It is half, as it is root x. It is root x. Root x means what? 1 by 2 root over x. It is half root x. Root x means what? 1 by 2 root over x. As x is positive, so we don't have any minus sign. So our math is done, you know. Now you can do it. 1 by 4. Okay. 1 by root over x plus 1 minus 1 by root over x minus 1. You keep it like that. Perhaps it may be the answer. It is the answer. I am not going to do any more maths. I am just giving you the maths. You will do it at home. Same type of math. Question number 4. Please do it at home. Question number 4. Y is given as by x by 1 plus root over 1 minus x square n. What will you do? Let me know at first.
স্যার লন নিব,
Very good. You have to take ln.
তারপর n হচ্ছে কমন।
Very good. Take ln. Ln y. That is ln x by 1 plus
এটা আমি
root over.
করেছি, অ্যানসারটা বলবেন?
Just wait. Just wait. Is it?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Then you see n ln. Okay. X by root over 1 plus. Is it? Talk to me.
Yes.
Okay. It is ln y. It is ln y. Now, you see, or ln y is equal to n ln x, okay, minus n ln 1 plus root over. Now it is your turn to do. I will not do it. Its answer is, will you write down the answer? Its answer
Yes,
is,
sir.
just we are one line left. Its answer is n x by, please, I can write the answer. It is horrible. I don't know what is written in the answer. This
Y
sign,
পুরা
this sign, this sign, I have one. I really don't know. Anyway,
Sir,
so better, so
NY
better,
by
better we do, not a matter. Dy by dx, ln x equals to 1 by x, it is n by x, right? Is it? It is minus n. Ln x means what? 1 by x. Okay. Then it is d by dx 1 plus root over 1 plus x square, right? Okay, not a matter. So we are getting here 1 by y di by dx n by x minus n by 1 plus root over 1 plus x square. Now can you please let me know what will be it? 1 is 0, right? So root over x equals to what? Let me know. 1 by, talk to me, 1 by 2 root over x, is it? But here it is x square, so it will be differentiated by 2x. Talk to me.
আচ্ছা স্যার ডিনোমিনেটরকে আবার ভাঙলেন না কেন? মানে n ln 1 minus n ln root over 1 plus x square.
I have done it here.
Sir,
You see, it is x, right? Okay, it is x. So ln x is equal to 1 by x. And that x again has been differentiated.
আচ্ছা স্যার এটা মানে সেকেন্ড পার্টে যে লিখলেন এটাকে
Which
যদি
one? Let me
প্রথম
know.
লাইনেই
And this line,
হ্যাঁ স্যার লাস্টে
this line last part.
এক্স করলেন
Huh?
স্যার পুরোটাকে
Everything
এক্স না ধরে যদি ক্লাসের জন্য আচ্ছা না স্যার ঠিক আছে
okay. Now you see, this 2 will be omitted. So what is dy by dx? Is equal to y. What is the value of y? Y is equal to, oh my god, y is equal to x by 1 plus root over, oh my god. It is question number 4. Hello?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait. Actually, in the question, it was given minus sign. So not a matter, I am doing the question of plus sign. If it is minus, only there is one difference, it will be minus, right? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Nothing else.
Yes, sir.
Okay, whatever it is plus sign. But in the question, it is given minus sign. If it is minus, only there will be negative, nothing else. Okay. So anyway, so x 1 plus root over 1 plus x square whole to the power n. Okay. This is the y. I have taken y to the right hand side into, it is n by x minus n into x. N into x is nx. It is 1 plus root over 1 plus x square into root over. This is the answer. Now you can take n common here at best and nothing to do. Okay. Do you like to do any more here? I can do.
না থাক স্যার লাগবে না
It can be done. There will be x square and there will be 1 plus x square. It can be omitted. Okay. Do you like to expand it? But if you keep your answer
Yes, sir.
here, it is done. Not a matter. Okay, only 2 maths you will do at home. Y is equal to root over 1 minus x by 1 plus x square. You will do it at home. Okay. You will take ln. Actually, it is power half. Okay. Ln y is equal to ln 1 minus x by x plus x square. Power is half. Right? Talk to me.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
As it is a square root. Then half ln this minus half ln this. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Homework. Number 6. Y equal to root over 1 minus 3x by 4x. Take ln. Very easy and simple math. So this chapter is done. Going to next chapter. Exercise 9.6. It is very less important. Okay. Successive differentiation is 9.7. Now you see very easy and simple math. Actually, anyone can do this math. 9.6. Anyone. You have to find always dy by dx. Remember one thing. You have to find dy by dx always. So it is a math that you are doing for a long time. Given an equation x square minus xy plus y square equals to 1. This is an equation. You have to find the slope. Dy by dx means you have to find the tangent. Tangent means dy by dx. So it is a curve. Okay. It is a curve, right? Curve. So from here you can easily find the slope. We are going to find that slope, that is magnitude. I am sorry, that is called gradient. Okay, anyway, you see how to do. Now you differentiate with respect to x. What will be here?
Twice.
D by dx x square minus d by dx xy plus d by dx y square equals to d by dx 1. Talk to me. Who has failed to understand?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Very good. Now just let me know. It is what? 2x.
2x
Now you see. Please, important part. It is u and it is v. Okay.
না স্যার
What is
y
meant by
হচ্ছে
no?
কোএফিসিয়েন্ট
No. It is u. It is v. Okay. Have you got it? It is u. It is v. Now what is the formula of uv? Talk to me. Minus x. Let me know. D by dx y. Then plus y. D by dx x. Is it, or talk to me? uv formula.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Then let me know. This is y square. Y square equals to what? 2y. Then d by dx. It is y only. And it is 0. If you fail to understand, please let me know.
স্যার ওয়াই স্কোয়ারের ডিফারেন্সিয়েশনটা বুঝি নাই।
Y square. What is x square?
2x.
2x. Then you differentiate again this x. What will be? D by dx x. Am I right? Talk to me.
ওকে
Yes,
স্যার।
sir.
Now, if it is y, then it is y, then it is y, right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, it is twice x minus. Let me know. What will be here? Okay, I'm not using bracket. Minus x dy by dx. X dy by dx minus plus minus only y, because x is what? 1, right? Okay, here plus 2y d into y dy by dx is equal to 0. Don't forget that we are here to determine dy by dx. Now you see, we can take common dy by dx from these two, right? So I can write here, or dy by dx 2y minus x is equal to y minus 2x. Am I right? This y has been taken to the right hand side. This 2x has been taken to the right hand side. Now, is it possible to find here dy by dx is equal to y minus 2x by 2y minus x? Talk to me. Very interesting math, right?
Yes, sir.
G,
And,
sir.
and the most importantly, I have done only one math, and I know that my students can do all maths, because there is no other rule, only one rule. In this chapter, we don't have any other math, any other rule, any other theory, any other, condition. Only one condition. Okay, you see, another math I'm going to do, question number 2. X cube minus 3xy, 3xy plus y cube is equal to 3. Can you do it?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
It is what? 3x square? Talk to me. What is the differentiation of x cube? 3x square? Hello, everybody.
G, sir.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 x dy by dx minus y. Okay, just will you understand if I write like this? If you don't understand, please talk to me. Just talk to
স্যার
me.
করতাম না
Uh-huh.
স্যার, বুঝি নাই স্যার, এখানে এক্স এর ডিফারেন্সিয়েশন করতে হবে।
Okay, the differentiation of x is 1.
স্যার আমার এক্স লিখছেন যে এখানে বুঝলাম না।
Okay, not a matter. I am going to show it again. You see, d by dx x cube minus 3 d by dx xy plus d by dx y cube d by dx 3. Actually, this line, after doing 2 or 3 maths, this line will not be required anymore to do. Now you see, it is 3x square minus 3, second bracket, x d by dx y plus y d by dx x. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now it is y cube, that is 3y square. Then d by dx, it is y, then it is 0. Talk to me, all of you. I
Yes,
told you we have the same math, but dear students, just I'm going to tell you one thing. 3x square minus 3. This part will be always, and please remember one thing. You'll get this part always. If you know this part to do in one line, then your math will be very short because you will get some MCQs in the exam hall. So what is it? 3x, you see, 3x dy by dx. Can you remember? I wrote this minus 3 plus minus 3y. Okay. You always have to keep it in mind. Is equal to 3y square dy by dx is equal to 0. Now you see everywhere we have 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, right? So all those 3 can be omitted or will be omitted. Not can be, will be omitted. So we are left with x square minus x dy by dx minus y plus y square dy by dx equals to 0. Now you take dy by dx common, as we have to find dy by dx. Then dy by dx y square minus x is equal to y minus x square. Is it? That means dy by dx is equal to y minus x square, y square minus x. And yes, we have the answer. Is it hard? Every math is of that type or same type. Now I am going to do the most important math of this chapter. The most important math that is always given in the exam. I hope all of you will pay 100% attention. That is question number 3. All of you are required to pay 100% attention. And it is always given in the exam. Ln xy is equal to x plus y. Can you do it? D by dx ln xy is equal to d by dx is equal to d by dx. Talk to me and pay 100% attention for this math. D by dx, it is addition, multiplication. So it is ln x. It is multiplication. D by dx, it is ln y. Is it? I can also do that. But the way I have I showed you, it was also right. Then it is what? Have you got it? Ln of xy means what? Ln x plus ln y, right? Ln x plus ln y. Now it is what? 1. And it is what? Di by dx. Talk to me. Now what is ln x? Ln x is 1 by x. What is ln y? Is 1 by y. But y will be again differentiated. Di by dx. Y is di by dx is equal to 1 plus di by dx Now we have to find the value of dy by dx. Write down, or dy by dx 1 by y minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by x. Talk to me.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Actually, this 1 by x has been taken to the right hand side, and this dy by dx has been brought to the left hand side, and then I took common dy by dx, right? Now you see, or we are left with dy by dx LCM y 1 minus y. Here LCM x, so x minus 1. Okay, that means dy by dx is equal to, talk to me, what will be?
স্যার y into x minus 1 by x into 1
Y
minus
into x minus 1 by x into 1 minus y. It is the answer. Now, if this question is given in the exam, can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's
স্যার
good.
আমরা আগের নিয়মটা দিয়ে কেন করলাম না?
Of course, it could be done and you will get the same answer. Okay? Of course,
Okay,
you can
sir.
do and you will get the same answer. Okay. Question number 4. E to the power x y, e to the power x y minus 4xy is equal to 2. Another important math. Can you do it? Talk to me.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
D by dx e to the power xy minus 4 d by dx xy 0. Okay. Now let me know, dear students, e to the power x equals to what? E to the power x. But it is not only x. That is to be differentiated again. Is it okay? Minus 4. D by dx xy equals to 0. Okay. Now can you do it, or I'll do? E to the power xy, let me know what will be the answer at a time. X dy by dx, then plus y. Is it? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus 4. Let me know. X dy by dx plus y. This is x. Y will be differentiated. This is y. X will be different. This is y. X will be differentiated. That is one. And anyway, you will just keep it in mind always, because you will not get that much time. Now, you see, we can multiply here e to the power xy into x into dy by dx plus y e to the power xy minus 4x dy by dx minus 4y is equal to 0. Now from this equation you find dy by dx. So we can write down here dy by dx, we are left with here x e to the power xy, and here we are left with minus 4x, right? Dy by dx has been taken common. This is dy by dx, this is dy by dx. So we are left with x e to the power xy, and here it is only minus 4x, which is equal to 4y minus y e to the power xy. Okay? Okay, that is dy by dx is equal to, from here we can take y common, y 4 minus e to the power xy, then here x can be taken common, x e to the power xy minus 4. Am I right?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
And have you seen they are differed by only minus 1? It is 4, right? It is 4. So we can cancel this minus y by x. Talk to me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
And yes, it is the answer. How I have
Yes,
done?
sir.
I have taken a minus 1 common from the numerator or from the denominator. Okay. Now going to the another important math to be given in the examination. Very, very important. Really, you can
আচ্ছা
see.
স্যার একটা কোশ্চেন
Yes.
আপনি রাতে ঘুমান কয়টায়
Why?
না স্যার এমনি
Achha, wait. Today it
স্যার
was
আপনি একদিন 6টার সময় লিংক দিছিলেন এই জন্য
okay. No, not a matter. Today
আর
I
আপনাকে না রাত 3-4টার সময় অ্যাক্টিভ দেখায়
okay. Today I slept at 12 noon.
স্যার আপনি করেন কি এত রাত
That is the
আমার
question.
আমার একটা ফ্রেন্ডের কোশ্চেন মানে
Okay,
আমরা তো ফোন চালাই কিন্তু আপনি তো
স্যার এটা সন্দীপেরই কোয়েশ্চেন, ফ্রেন্ডের নামে চালাচ্ছে।
না আমার ফ্রেন্ডেরই কোশ্চেন প্রত্যাশার কোশ্চেন এটা
Achha, okay.
স্যার আমার নামে চাপাই দিচ্ছে।
Achha, okay. I have not time. Okay. I have no time because I have a meeting. Please see this math important. Another important math to be given in the examination. I told you it is a power, right? And it is another function. Can you remember, please? So actually,
লন নিব
yes, you are absolutely right. You take ln. Ln x to the power y, important math. Ln, very, very important math, y to the power x. Okay? That means y ln x. That means x ln y. Now, can you differentiate, please? You just try to understand how to differentiate in one line. Without, you'll use the formula, but you will not show the formula. You see how it can be. Y, it is y. It is what? 1 by x. Done. Then it is again ln x. And y is what? Dy by dx. Remember one thing, y is always dy by dx. So left hand side is done. Okay, see the right hand side. You see, it is x, very good x. Now you differentiate it 1 by y. Then you keep it ln y. Then you differentiate x. X is 1. Math is done. Is it hard? Just let me know. Is it hard? But actually, are we done? Are we done? No, we are not done. Who can tell me? Ln y means 1 by y, but again it is dy by dx. Talk to me. If you don't understand, I can show it again.
স্যার বুঝছি
You have not got it, right?
বুঝছি স্যার
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Acha, I'm telling it again. It is x has been kept as it is. Then it will be differentiated. Ln y is what? You are doing a lot of maths of ln y. Ln y equals to what? 1 by y di by dx. Is it? You have done a lot of math in the previous exercise, question number 4. You did about 19 maths. Okay, now you see, I can take dy by dx common. Dy by dx has been taken common, so it is ln x minus, it is x by y is equal to, we are getting ln y minus y by x. Okay, that is dy by dx y ln x minus x is equal to x ln y minus y. So dy by dx is equal to, you multiply it, y into x ln y minus y, x into y ln x minus x. Perhaps this is the answer. Yes, we are absolutely right. Okay. Hello, everybody.
ইয়েস
ইয়েস
স্যার
স্যার
Now, it is the high time to leave you now. So, will I give you some homework, or what will you do? Huh?
স্যার হোমওয়ার্ক দিছেন না স্যার
You take some maths from here. You take some math. Question number 6. Why important? Sin x plus y whole square. Question number 7. You do some math at home. What will you do
স্যার
at home?
সবগুলার কি ডিওয়াই বাই ডিএক্স বের করব
I told you at the very beginning, right?
জি স্যার
Question number 8. X to the power y to the power x is equal to 1. Question number 9. 9. X to the power y to the power n is equal to y to the power x to the power n. Okay. Then question number 10. I can find. Okay, you do this.